We're about to wrap Luis's hood in carbon fiber, and we're gonna do gloss black on my roof. Dude, look at this. It looks hella real. So this is what we got so far. Probably what? It took us like an hour, maybe a little bit less, Luis.
Yeah.
But dude, it looks hella real, especially like compared to mine. Mine looks almost black right now. But Luis is pretty much cutting it right now. Don't cut too little. I mean too much, right?
Should I start like right here, right?
Yeah. Damn, look at this fucking ricer, man. Honestly, it looks kind of real in camera.
It was fucking real, bro.
Real shitty.
Yeah. It's fun because of Juan, bitch.
I'm kidding, it looks good.
Hey, you got a dry one? You can hit it with a dry one.
Yeah.
Once it's dry, yeah, hit it with a
You want to go?
That's real carbon fiber right there, boys. Damn, Rodolfo putting in work. Dude, it actually looks real. Dude, that literally looks real.
I read some duct tape so I can put in the corner.
Yeah, super glue.